Made with field hyacinth beans, Avarekalu or Mochai, rich in fiber and protein, today's preparation is a quick, easy to prepare, wholesome and nutritious soup. Welcome to Whada Gravy. I have taken 500 grams of Avarekalu or Mochai. Remove the skin and take out the beans. With a beautiful yellowish green color, these beans are usually harvested in mid-December and sought after depending on their size and aroma. Once all the beans are removed, wash thoroughly in water and set aside. Heat a pressure cooker. Add half a tablespoon of cold-pressed coconut oil. Coconut oil has antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. To this, add 1 bay leaf, 1 green chili split. You can also add 1 more green chili if you want it slightly spicy. Add 1 pod garlic crushed, 2 pieces of raw turmeric as this is the season and it is widely available. If you do not have raw turmeric, you can use 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, that will be 1 inch of ginger piece. Ginger promotes digestion. Fry for a few seconds and add 1 teaspoon of coarsely crushed black pepper. As I had mentioned in the previous video, the absorption of turmeric increases multifold when used with healthy fats and pepper. Fry for a second and add the cleaned and washed hyacinth beans, Avarekalu, Mochai. These beans are a very good source of protein, dietary fiber, phosphorus, potassium, zinc and copper, and one of the best sources of several B-complex vitamins. Fry for a minute. Add half a teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt. Mix and add 3 cups of water. 1 cup in this is equal to 240 ml. Close the lid and place the weight on. Allow for 4 whistles on a medium flame and switch off the stove. Open once the pressure is released. Mix. You can see that the beans is well cooked now. Remove the bay leaf, green chili, garlic and turmeric pieces. Allow to cool slightly and add 3 ladlefuls of the cooked beans along with some water to a mixer jar and grind for just a second. The paste should be slightly coarse. Add the paste to the cooked beans broth in the pressure cooker. Switch on the stove. Mix well. You can see that the consistency has become thicker now. Check for salt. Salt is slightly less. I am adding half a teaspoon of salt. These beans have a nutty flavor and texture, so I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Once bubbles start appearing, switch off the stove. Do not allow to boil. Squeeze the juice of 1 small lime or half a lime if big. Mix well. Check and adjust the taste as required. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of grated fresh coconut. Coconut will add the required sweetness to the dish and enhance the flavor. And lastly, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix and add to a soup bowl. Serve with some homemade papad. This quantity will serve 2 to 3 people. Garnish with coriander leaf and sprinkle some crushed black pepper if you like. Enjoy hot. With a bit of avarekalu or mochai, a bit of coconut, some coriander leaves, and with the tinge of lime in every spoonful, this soup is wholesome, nourishing, and comforting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such interesting recipes. Would love to hear from you. Do leave your comments in the comment section below.